The crank angle sensor wasn't plugged in, so. It's interesting because it smells like, it's got two-stroke oil in the gas, so it smells like a weed eater. That's why you can probably see some smoke coming out of that gas. I've got like a pseudo throttle cable linked up here. It also could be that, I don't know if the mouth's getting a signal, and maybe that's why it's just throwing in some predetermined amount of air, but let's try that again, just to make sure. So I have this feeling that it's only running on one rotor because it doesn't sound like ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. So I'm gonna disconnect this coil here and see if it sounds different. Or see if it starts now, the front one's undone. These are just some like random LKQ coils that I got from, or some random LS1 coils I got from LKQ. So totally possible that they don't work. All right, so it doesn't want to fire over if I do that. So then maybe it is just, that's just how it's gonna sound.